nice truck to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1961 Ford F100 street rotted. Fuel injected 5-liter Mustang engine underneath the hood that's paired up with a C6 rebuilt automatic transmission. Power brakes with CPP front disc conversion. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front bumper, grille, headlight surrounds. Painted to match the lower two-tone paint on this. Kind of a dark teal green, lighter green two-tone combination. A good looking show truck. Take your time looking through the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. We can check out all the pics. You can also call us 507-386-1726. Riding on polished 5-spoke wheels. Those are brand new radial tires just put on. It also has new rear axle seals and pinion seal. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. You can see the paint shows well. Nice shine to it. There's a few spots where there's a little bit of touch-up just from like some real small chips. You take a little touch-up paint, just dab it in. Nothing real major. And you can see how nice and straight this bed is and all these panels are. Long, straight panels look good. Hey, for you Ford experts out there, I believe this was a unit body in 1961, kind of a rare truck. I believe 61 to 63 were the unibodies. There's one for the Ford experts to give us a little note down below in the comments. Let me know if I'm right. Frenched in taillights, roll pan. You can see dual exhaust, does have Flowmasters on it. You'll be able to see in the underside pics. Soft tonneau cover. Nice little setup. So this tonneau cover locks with the key. It's on the keychain. You can unlock it, handle pops up, turn the handle, and that's what actually locks the tailgate too. There's a couple tabs on each side of the tailgate. You'll be able to see it in the still pics. And then the pin on each side locks that tailgate in. So when you lock that handle back down, tailgate's locked in. Kind of a cool setup. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation in this vehicle. May be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. If you like street rotted vehicles or customized trucks, maybe into Ford trucks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here. Videos are uploaded daily. These vehicles are available to purchase at the time they are uploaded, whether it be off our showroom floor or our website. If you just like checking out vehicles, go ahead and subscribe. Let's take a look at the rest of this driver's side. Again, you can see the panels nice and straight. All right, I did notice, if you notice too, back here, there is a little scuff. This lower portion right there I wanted to point out. And again, just a few little spots. I don't even know if I can get them to show up. Just a few little tiny spots here, maybe you can see them like that, being pretty fussy. Like I said, taking just a little touch-up paint dabbed in there. All right, take a little closer look at this interior. It does have a power seat over here on the driver's side. Custom stereo install with a aftermarket stereo. As you can see, bucket seats both sides. Custom center console, storage compartment in the middle. A couple other things I did want to mention real quick before I start it up. When we look underneath the hood, you're going to see aluminum radiator. It is new. It does have a cold air intake on it. And the new springs and bushings at all four corners I wanted to mention as well. So let's take a little closer look at this interior. You can see white face gauges. Sony stereo system that is working. Fuel pump, obviously, and it's fuel injected, so let's fire this up. Stereo system, we'll go through this quick. Nice sounding too. So stereo working. Let's come back to the gauges here. Fuel, here's that is working. Voltmeter, water temp, oil pressure, odometer working. Top of the dash, interior, some custom pinstriping and painting in here also to match the top half of the exterior. Seat belts up front there you can see as well. Comfortable seats, double headliner. Alright. Door closes nicely. Slip around in the back so you can hear this run. So nice sounding exhaust, nothing crazy over the top, obnoxious, loud, anything like that. Sounds good. All right, let me slip up to the front. I'm gonna pause this a second. I wanna get this hood open and we'll check out this engine bay. Remember, stick around to the very end of this video. We're gonna take this truck for a drive, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. So stick around, but first let's check out the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1961 Ford F100 in a brilliant metallic green. We have some leather bucket seats from another model in this truck and they're very comfortable. Center console storage. Aftermarket gauges from Equus. Our turn signal indicators are both working. Nice firm shifts in that automatic transmission. This is an automatic on the floor. We have a Sony radio in the dash. And that sounds really good. Our oil pressure is just under 50. Water temperature about 180. Volts are over 14 and the fuel tank is showing 3/4 of a tank. That's all looking good. A little bit of play in the steering. Not enough to cause any issues. And letting go of the wheel, this truck stays nice and straight. Really a popular body style. And though you don't see that many, this one is well done. We got tonneau cover in the back. Power brakes working well. Our wipers work on this truck. This truck corners quite nicely, doesn't lean very much. Let's see if I'll get to accelerate again here. Maybe on the right lane. Very nice driving truck, great sounding truck. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about it at uniqueclassiccars.com.